Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We have another hidden gem tech and AI stock to share with you. Concentrix Corporation. Disclaimer. This information is for general knowledge and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment or other professional advice. We are not financial advisors. Do your own due diligence before making any investment decision. Thank you. Let's dive into the stock. Concentrix Corporation, ticker CNXC. Concentrix provides technology-infused customer experience solutions on a global scale and has a market capitalization of approximately $2.83 billion. The company generates revenue primarily from its software and programming segment amounting to $9.40 billion. Concentrix, navigating a complex tech landscape, has demonstrated resilience with a projected annual earnings growth of 50.9%, significantly outpacing the broader US market's average of 15.4%. This robust growth trajectory is underpinned by strategic investments in research and development, which have consistently accounted for a substantial portion of revenue, evidence of the firm's commitment to innovation and competitive differentiation in business services. Despite facing challenges like a recent one-off loss of $116.2 million affecting financials, Concentrix's forward-looking initiatives signal strong future prospects, particularly as it leverages AI trends discussed at recent industry events to enhance service offerings and client engagement strategies. The customer experience industry is experiencing robust growth, driven by increasing customer expectations and the need for businesses to differentiate themselves through exceptional service. Concentrix, as a leading provider of customer experience solutions, is well positioned to benefit from this trend. Concentrix has a history of consistent revenue growth and profitability. The company has demonstrated its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and maintain its competitive edge. Concentrix operates in a variety of industries, including technology, healthcare, financial services, and retail. This diversification helps to mitigate risk and ensure stable revenue streams. Concentrix invests heavily in technology and innovation to enhance its service offerings and improve operational efficiency. This focus on innovation helps the company stay ahead of the curve and maintain its competitive advantage. Attractive valuation. Concentrix's stock may be undervalued relative to its growth prospects and profitability. This presents an opportunity for investors to acquire shares at a discount. Concentrix competes with the CX industry, which is highly competitive, with numerous players vying for market share. A global economic slowdown could negatively impact customer spending and demand for CX services. Additionally, Concentrix operates globally, and fluctuations in foreign exchange rates could impact its profitability. We also love the year-over-year revenue growth. In the fourth quarter, revenue was approximately $2.45 billion, growing 1.5% on a pro forma constant currency basis. Non-GAAP operating income was $347 million for Q4, with a margin of 14.2%. Adjusted EBITDA came in at $403 million in Q4, with a margin of 16.5%. Non-GAAP net income was $219 million for Q4. Non-GAAP EPS was $3.26 for Q4. GAAP net income was $116 million for Q4. For the full year, revenue growth was 2.7% on a pro forma constant currency basis for fiscal 2024. Adjusted free cash flow was $475 million for fiscal 2024. Free cash flow is growing year over year. Look at the last 5 years chart. In fiscal 2024, $136 million of common shares were repurchased. Net debt reduction was approximately $209 million during fiscal 2024. Cash and cash equivalents stood at $241 million at year-end, while total debt was $4.736 billion at year-end. The debt is a concern for investors, but if you look at the free cash flow, the company is growing year over year. Positive points. Concentrix Corp achieved a high client revenue retention rate of approximately 99% in fiscal 2024. The company has successfully integrated Webhelp, resulting in ongoing net synergy benefits expected to show in 2025 and beyond. Concentrix Corp has expanded its offerings with new solutions like data annotation, AI design, and cybersecurity, contributing nearly $1 billion in revenue in 2024. The company has a strong pipeline of new clients in Europe following the Webhelp integration, indicating potential for future growth. Concentrix Corp has a robust free cash flow generation, allowing for debt reduction and increased shareholder returns through dividends and share repurchases. Negative points. Revenue growth was modest at 1.5% on a pro forma constant currency basis for Q4, reflecting challenges in some verticals. Non-GAAP operating income margin decreased due to increased technology spend and upfront investments in transformational wins. The company faces headwinds from ongoing decreases in revenue from North American communications clients. There is a continued decline in low-complexity transactions, which could impact revenue growth in the short term. Concentrix Corp anticipates a negative impact from foreign exchange rates on revenue growth in 2025. Q4 2024 Earnings Call. Christopher Caldwell, President and CEO, explained that they expect to reduce low-value transactions by 1 to 2% in 2025, which will be a headwind. Additionally, there is a shift from Europe to Africa and Eastern Europe, and from North America to offshore locations driven by cost considerations. He noted that revenue from the large transformational deal will start to be meaningful in the third and fourth quarters of 2025. Smaller transformational deals will begin generating revenue in Q2 and Q3, with more impact in the latter half of the year. Christopher Caldwell also stated that the Catalyst business, representing about 8% of total revenue, is growing well at mid to high single digits. It is expected to continue this growth trajectory as more partner implementations are added. Now the stock trading around $49. Look at 1 year, it's been down 48%, but 1 month it's been up 15%. We think it is at bottom, and our price prediction for this stock is $76 within a year, over 50% upside. We are talking about if the markets don't fail. What do you think about Concentrix? Please leave a comment down below. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.